Hey guys, welcome, and what we're going to talk about today is the best deals on 55-inch TVs during the Amazon Prime Day sale, which is from the 26th to the 27th of July. Now we're going to take a look at 5 TVs across different price budgets, but they are bringing in a pretty value for money deal out here, so let's take a look. First up, we have the Amazon Basics 55-inch 4K HDR TV. This TV runs on Amazon's Fire TV UI, which means it has the same UI as the Fire TV stick, smooth and fluid. In our review of the TV, we noted that it has a good panel performance for content consumption and a smooth, easy to use interface. While it does not support ARC for an external soundbar or home theater, there are ample connectivity options for you to choose from. The 55-inch variant of this TV supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and Dolby Atmos. While you can get cashback and card discounts based on your credit or debit card, a partner offer is that you can get the 3rd Gen Echo Dot at just 999 rupees if you want when you purchase this TV. Another 55-inch TV worth considering during the Prime Day sale is the HighSense 55A71F. In our review of the TV, we noted that it has good color reproduction in HDR and SDR content and a clean and easy to use interface. It is a feature-rich TV and above all has great picture performance for both consuming content from OTT platforms and playing games. You can avail no-cost EMI and bank discounts when you purchase this TV. Next up, if you're looking for a budget gaming TV, then you can check out the Redmi Smart TV X55. It supports HDMI 2.1 features like auto low latency mode. While we reviewed the 65-inch variant of this TV, you can expect similar performance from the 55-inch variant available on sale today. The TV has good picture performance for Dolby Vision and SDR content. Xiaomi's patch wall UI also enhances the smart TV experience on this TV. You can avail discounts if you have an Amazon Pay ICICI Bank credit card or an HDFC Bank credit card. Next up is the OnePlus U1S, and this TV has a good panel for consuming HDR and SDR content. It also has speakers that sound very good for movies and TV shows. The gaming performance of this TV is good too, as it supports auto low latency mode via the HDMI ports. The TV does not support Dolby Vision but supports Dolby Atmos via a compatible soundbar or home theater when connected via EARC. You can check out cashback, bank offers, and more to get the best price during the Prime Day sale. Last but not least, we have the Sony 55X80AJ. Now this is one to consider if you're looking for a TV that offers flagship level performance. While we haven't reviewed this TV, the features on offer are quite similar to the X80J we currently have for review. The TV comes with the all-new Google TV UI and supports 4K HDR including Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. The TV has Sony's Triluminous Pro display for picture processing, which should enhance your content consumption experience. You can also avail no-cost EMI, cashback, and bank offers to get the best offer on this TV. So there you have it, guys. That was a quick look at 5 TVs you can consider during the Amazon Prime Day sale. Let us know what you thought of this video in the comment section below, and for more from the world of technology, you can subscribe to the channel.